The Facebook lead ads for your listings are now coming with buyer and seller guides. And I want to show you this here. This is an example of an ad from listings to leads. People click on it and notice what is your time frame to buy. But we have now automatically included, if it's a buyer ad coming soon, just listed, active, open house, we now include a guide. In this case, it's a buyer guide because it's the buyer ad. Yes, send it, or no. Either way, we're going to automatically include it in the autoresponder that people get. And people get our autoresponders almost 100% of the time. It works out really well. These guides are also in your listings to leads account, which I'll show you here in a few minutes. So you can always send it to people if they need it. We got name, email, and phone number automatically populate. People click through and notice how many clicks I have to take. When you generate a Facebook lead, don't let anybody tell you that they're not great leads. People have to click through about 5 times before they become a lead. It's not like they accidentally clicked through and became a lead without realizing what they were doing. They clicked through 4 to 5 times before they become a lead and get to the landing page, the property website, or whatever it is that you are advertising. In your listings to leads account, to get those ads live, all you got to do is go to the listings tab. If you need help with the listing and getting it into your account, let our support team know. But you can see right here, I got a listing just listed. I clicked the green market listing button. We've pulled Facebook into our system. There's nothing you need to do as far as the ads manager. You don't pay us any sort of percentage to get your ad live. 100% of the budget goes to the ad. All I have to do is confirm the location. I got a 15-mile radius with a lifetime budget, which I recommend. And, 35 is way too little. I like to go at least $50 for 1 week. You can go more. We have clients that go to $200 to $300 a week for an ad. I can change the template. We have 21 different templates. I can upload a Canva image, video, a lot of great options. We do have advanced options down here as well. So there's a lot of other great things that you can do. But for 99% of you, all you have to do is click the green create ad button. That's going to send it to Facebook for approval. Typically, it can get live anywhere from 5 minutes to a couple of hours. You just never know. That's up to Facebook and what they're doing. To find those 2 PDF guides, if you need them, you just want to check them out. They're all branded to you, your pictures, your colors, your logos, everything is on there for you. Click on the PDF guide tab in your listings to leads account. And I like to search Ultimate Guide 2, and you're going to see Ultimate Guide to Selling Your Home. I believe it's about 120 pages. And then we got the Ultimate Guide to Buying a Home. Again, it's over 100 pages long. Now, if I run a pending or just sold ad, they're going to be offered the Ultimate Guide to Selling their home. If I'm running an ad for buyer leads, and it could be down payment assistance, new construction, open house, my listing, a borrowed listing, they're going to be offered those guides. And we have found that the engagement from that is a lot better. And I'll do another video later, but we are also now doing this for AI text follow-up. The AI text follow-up, when leads don't engage in the beginning, after about a day or so, we start offering them other options like a list of price reduced homes for sale, new construction, but also some different guides. Very powerful way to make sure we're adding value to our audience and better able to engage them. If you have any questions on this, let our support team know. Get into the Mastermind group. We'll talk to you soon.